I'm going to the club and I feel like I should get my friends around, tell them what is going down. I heard that he's in love, if he only knew what it was. He needs to be taught a good lesson when he's caught. Hey girlfriend, won't you come on over here? Hey girlfriend, I got something you wanna hear. You know the guy who's really not my type. I think I'm wrong, he's really rather nice. If there's someone that you see, you don't know who he is and if he's free, you gotta let him know how you feel. Open up, leave nothing to reveal.